I love you mama o papa. In this case, the tune would be warm, affectionate, and nurturing, showing a deep unconditional love. Your best friend. Love you by Pre. This is usually informal, playful, and filled with genuine affection but often without the same intensity as family love. Your most loved teacher. I really appreciate you, mom, sir. Or, you're the best and I love the way you teach. Teachers are often respected, so while I love you might not always be appropriate in the same way, expressing appreciation and admiration is key. Your boyfriend or girlfriend. I love you so much, B. In a romantic relationship, the praise would be intimate and personal, reflecting deep affection and romantic love. Your classmate. You're awesome. I really appreciate you. While I love you might not be appropriate for a classmate, expressing appreciation or affection is a friendly way can still show your love.